So today we're working on a GE washer front loader that has no power. This is a 24-inch model, and the customer said that they used it yesterday and it worked fine, but today, no power. This is GE model WCVH4800K2WW. It's probably about 8 years old or so. So what we found out is we got the electrical schematic downloaded online. We'll put that in the link below for that. And we tested the door switch and the door lock and everything was fine, but what we think it is maybe the inverter. So we're going to take it out and put in a new one. First thing you got to do is take out these screws. There's 2 of them, and then you pop it up and lift it up a little bit and try to squeeze it through the opening there. Lift up on the drum a little bit, that'll help make the opening wider, and it should pop right out. Once you get all the tabs of the case removed, the cover comes off, and we're looking for any kind of irregularities, burn marks and things like that. We didn't see anything on this one, but what we noticed is that one of the capacitors was just a little bit bulged up on the top, that one right there in the middle. Instead of being flat, it was a little bit bulged up, so we think that there's a problem with this inverter or main PCB. So we're going to put in a new one and see how it does after that. Well, we got the new one installed, so let's see if it fires up. Yep, there we go. So we are good to go. We replaced the inverter and everything is back in operation. So we'll post a link to the part in the comments, but hopefully it works out for you. Thanks for watching.